Alright, so we got ice on the truck. I already know this battery isn't going to turn over because it charges fine, it works fine, but no cold cranking amps, and it's 20 degrees outside. So I'm going to show you guys how I jump off a battery that needs it when it won't turn over. Alright, that's not helping, so check this thing out. Let's go plug this up here. This thing, let me plug it in first off, boys. Hold on. So, this is made by Battery Tender. Let's get this in here for you. And sweet. We got the green light. That means we're good to go. We're going to first put the black on the negative. Then we're going to put the red on here. And this is going to jump the car off, guys. Now check this out. Some people think you need to plug it in, turn it on, and let it wait, but you don't need to let it wait because it's already got full power on there on your battery. Now all you need to do is find the keys. It should crank right up. No problem. That's it. Battery tender. Black first, red off. It'll turn itself off. You're ready to go.